our difference. Let's solve this as fast as we can. This is yes, you can see there are two equations, which means there are simultaneous equations. Okay, so we're going to simplify. So we have the first one is 5 raised to the power of x plus 2y, or in brackets equals 5 raised to the power of 1. Okay, this should be equation 1. Anyhow we'll be doing it, it will be like that. And then we have a 4 raised to the power of x uh, plus 3y bracket equals 16. This equation 2. Okay, we're going to be starting from 1. Okay, so the first one, of course, we're going to be eliminating this and this, the basis we go. Okay, and then we have x plus 2y equals 1. This is our equation 1 now. Equation 1. Okay, then this one and this becomes 4 raised to the power of x plus 3y, or in brackets equals 4 raised to the power of 2. 16 is the same thing as 4 times 4, which is 4 raised to the power of 2. So in place of 16, we use this. The basis we go. We have our x plus 3y to be 2. Okay? So putting them together now, we have our equation 1, x plus 2y equals 1. Okay, equation 1. Then x plus 3y equals what? 2. This is equation what? 2. At this point, we're going to be using elimination method. So we simply use a negative here. And then this one and this one we go. So this becomes a negative y equals a negative 1. Okay? At this point, it becomes simpler. So this is like 1y equals, minus 1y equals minus 1. When you divide both sides by minus 1, it means that this one and this one will go. Our y becomes 1. Then we substitute, okay? From equation 1, we substitute. Anyway, we see y, we replace it with 1 so that we get the value of x. So we have from equation 1, equation 1, okay? We have our x plus 2y plus 1, okay? When x is 1, so anyway, when y is 1, so anyway you see y, we put 1. So we have our x plus 2 times 1 equals 1. So we have our x to be plus 2 times 1 is 2 equals 1. And then we correct like terms. We have our x to be 1. When this is crossing, it changes to minus 2. And then x is equal to negative 1. So y, it means that y or x equals a negative 1 when y equals 1. All right? So we solve. Remember what we are told to simplify for? We are told to find 3 raised to the power of x plus y, okay? And we have gotten our x to be, so what we have now is 3. X is negative 1 plus 1. So our 3, it becomes 3. Negative 1 plus 1 will give us 0. It means that the answer is simply 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. That is how this is resolved.